Hello people, let's do C major 7 today. There's a bunch of them. It's a cool chord. And let's start out with a pretty easy version of it, which would look like, let's start out with a pretty easy version. Kind of looks like an E chord. So if your fingers are in the form of an E chord, you just keep them bunched exactly the same and move them up this way and over, up one fret. So now you could use either these three fingers or you could use these three fingers. So if you were playing an E chord like so, keep the grouping the same, don't move anything, keep it like that, and then move it up the neck this way, one fret, and down, or the direction is up a string. And it's a 6-string strum. Now the alternative way of playing it is just like having an E alternative, where you're using fingers 2, 3, and 4. Keep the bunch tight and just move it up the neck, one fret, and up this way, one string. Okay. Alright, here's another C major 7. That's a nice one. It's based upon A major 7, alt, using fingers 2, 3, and 4, and what you're doing is you're going to slide them up, keep the group the same, go up 1, 2, 3 frets, and take your pointer finger and lay it down on the 5th string, on the A string, 3rd fret. Okay, once again, so your pointer finger is on the A string on the 3rd fret, your ring finger is on the D string on the 5th fret, your middle finger is on the G string on the 3rd fret, and your pinky is on the 5th fret of the B string, and here's what you get. Okay, here's a C major 7. The finger shape is very similar to D minor, but in an alternative fingering. So normally D minor is like this, so. Alternatively, it's like this. Now you're going to slide it up 1, 2 frets. And then you're going to lay your pointer finger down on the 3rd fret of the A string. And you got to try to mute the D string, so you get this sound. If you're having a problem muting it, you could go and just pluck this the A string, and you get that effect. Okay, here's another C major 7. That's finger-wise, it's closely related to F major 7, played in an alternative fashion. Instead of using fingers 1, 2, and 3, you're going to use 2, 3, and 4. So that's F major 7, but if you slide it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frets, so that your pointer finger ends up on the 7th fret of the high E string, then you're going to have a 4-string strum of C major 7 right here. So the pinky is on the 10th fret of the D string, the ring finger is on the 9th fret of the G string, your middle finger is on the 8th fret of the B string, and your pointer finger is on the 7th fret of the E string. 4-string strum. Nice. Okay, here's another one. Okay, so we're on the 8th fret. Your pointer finger goes on the low E string on the 8th fret. Then nothing happens, you're going to mute the A string. And you got your middle finger on the 9th fret of the D string. Your pinky is on the 9th fret of the G string, and your middle finger is on the 8th fret of the B string. So sounds like that. Nice C major 7. Okay, I think I forgot one. There's one over here on the 5th fret. Okay, so the bar, the 5th fret with with your pointer finger, and just lay down either your pinky or your ring finger. 4-string strum. That's about it. There's not much left except right here there is one. I think we'll cut it over here. Okay, so we're at the 10th fret, and the pointer finger goes on the 10th fret of the D string, and you're going to use your ring finger to bar the G, the B, and the E. It's a 4-string strum, and if you wanted to, you could actually include the note below, so you could have the pointer finger covering the A string and the D string on the 10th fret, and you get this. Nice. Okay, well, that about covers it. I hope that helps you out. So that was C major 7. Take it easy.